And just like Dawn said, the winds will be gusty tonight across our region, but will your power hold against the wind? 10 on your side's Kagan Hughes has more information on how Dominion Energy is preparing.
Dominion Energy says it's expecting pockets of trouble, but says Hampton Roads will get a little break on the winds compared to other parts of Virginia. Around 7:45, more than 4,000 customers in Virginia Beach were impacted by power outages, according to Dominion Energy. High winds and wet soil can be a bad combination for trees and tree limbs.
Number one cause of outages with utilities is tree limbs and trees falling on power lines.
Dominion says it's ready, but this time did not put crews in specific areas because it's not expecting large areas to lose power.
Because we're not expecting widespread outages, we do have crews on standby, but we are not expecting that we're going to be needing to use them. We've got a full staff of our Dominion Energy workers, and they are, ready to go.
Even if they are ready, its main priority is to keep the crews safe.
Our work crews do not go up in their bucket trucks when the winds are north of 35 miles an hour.
And when conditions are safe, workers will resolve the issues as soon as they can.
During storms like this, we prioritize power restoration for critical community services like hospitals and water treatment facilities and things like that. So those get top priority, and then we focus on the residences and the businesses.
Now, Dominion says if you see a down power line, stay 30 feet away from it and then contact Dominion so they can get there as soon as possible. If you do experience a power outage, make sure you report it on the Dominion app or on its website. In Portsmouth, Kagan Hughes, 10 on your side.